Haki je Supreme Court hearing money ADC ni BC election no tuye. Haki amano chungkok tumaro nuka tai tini Bubagra amo video no tuye share like je ob video nukuna ob video boda chalak sa nei je baksa bukso kok bises khayang tongne jorok Bubagra no omo pura puri phunuguri ke je Supreme Court ADC ni je BC election khlaijak yangi tongmani amno tuye je hearing mani je Supreme Court ni bising tuye je dagi mungrajak mani tabuk ADC ni election ngmani jorao no amo bai baksa je BC election bo khlaidi hine je order mani Supreme Court ni bising tui Tripura government tai Tripura election commission no tai Supreme Court dok je order ikha this money 26 to hakai o mas ni 26 tarik ni bising no election ni date di nei slam di nei hake am suke je 10 bochor moi ADC ni bisingo je BC election hake village council ni election khlaijak yangi tongmani kami am sayo kwbangma panchayat dogonor nukra je o jagao properly sarkar ni bisingtui je chairman kre BC village council ni chairman kre amani bagi kami rok develop yang tonga am suk je jora romoi je Bubagra songrok je Supreme Court amonoti je case solvi tongmani hearing khlai tongmani hake to bose baksa buksu Bubagra no je chajagya Tripura sarong no je baksa buksu rang bai de manjai tom bai de manjak je Bubagra no je dofani bagi wan sugya ro je tabukbo hami ga sawi tongo o je video ro amno clip phunugro bose bongni bokhorogo habia haisi hake amse hake no Tripura sarong ni je mante soktaro kosto mosto khlai matubu tumani bagi hamale borok je chini Tripura sarong ni je mante soktaro sanani naikake borok direct risiri anga ka amte hake no kosto khlai matu amoni bagi no Tripura sarong baksa buksu bujia Bubagra no tamo tubia ko haining samani tomo nya ko amte hake kosto khlai matubu.
So Ranjit Kumar, you take your instructions, file a comprehensive affidavit in light of this development, and then give us a specific time frame within which you can hold the election and complete the delimitation exercise.
2 weeks, I will give a proper affidavit because this is spread into 3 affidavits, not in one. Somehow I missed to see it also. I'm sorry about that.
They have, your Lordship will recollect that in July 22 and then again in July 24, they had given the undertakings to the High Court. They will complete the process. Now, I don't want them to have the fourth excuse that there is some district council which is coming up. That cannot be a reason for not having conducted this for 5 years. They have their committees which are running it now. Each time it can't be that there's some new obstacle that is coming up.
Where is their ground taken that they were not able to hold because of those new councils?
That is in their, if your Lordship sees the first main affidavit at para 25.
Just give us which date it would be.
It is dated 5th January 26.
And how much, what was their undertaking in respect of delimitation exercise?
Delimitation was not an undertaking because the delimitation issue was raised now belatedly. And even
before us only.
Yes, and even for delimitation, there's a 3-judge decision of your Lordship in Suresh Mahajan, which says that when this was dealing with Madhya Pradesh, but saying that when you're dealing with elections, this should not detain you. Para 11 of this judgment. Now from 21 onwards, repeated petitions have been filed for these 587 village committees. Tentative schedules were solicited and given. If your Lordship sees page 109, 108 and 109 of the main writ petition paper book, the High